Okay, I'm back. Took a little break to grab some food and attend some other matters. Um, and what do I have here? So where I left off, I had noticed some CSS bugs. The bottom of the job is being cut off. The bottom of some text is being cut off. Love the icons. Like that it shows your Facebook picture here. That's kind of neat, actually. It brought that in for me. That's really nice. Um, so also noticed a bug up here in type of event. I should note those too. So let me just um, quickly, sorry, this is boring. You can tune out for a little bit. So noticed a bug in exiting the video player. Doesn't work at first. Try clicking on the video player on the home page. I click the black that should actually go up here. That was actually on the home page. I'll worry about the URL for that later. I'm really just trying to record the raw data here right now. I mean, I'm not sure who would really look at this. Notice a bug in the, what is it? The request styling form fields. Request styling form field validation. I assume it's a styling. At first, it said I hadn't filled out the form completely. I think in some okay. Well, let's continue on. Create outfit. Sure. So what I gotta do to create an outfit? Well, I don't have anything now. What's the job assignment? What's the focus of interest? Design exercise. Style request page. Is that what I'm doing? I'm style me up for a job interview. So I notice the tab description is a little weird. That should say something like Steve's Closet, maybe. I'm not sure what page this is. Is this actually the style request page or request styling for an upcoming event? Or browse other people's styling? Well, it's definitely not browse other people's styling. It might be request styling for upcoming event, or it might be the style request page. How do I know the labels of these? That's kind of a problem. Some of the fundamentals of design are you need to know where you are, and that kind of requires having a page name. None of these seem to do anything. Maybe that's because I haven't filled my closet. Does seem very female oriented. Is there a male option? What do these two little dots under here do? Why are there two little dots underneath the dress? Not there. Huh. I wonder what that means. Search brands. Sure. What kind of brands can I search for? Well, let's try... What are brand names? Is Gap a brand? Yes. Apparently it is. Okay, so these are apparently my Gap. Okay, trends. Search a brand. Okay, so I don't know what either of these do right now. Oh wait, how did I get here? Select a brand. This is different. I just clicked on catalog, but then I click trends, catalog. Oh, I was on trends before. This was the trends page. I thought this was the catalog page, because catalog looks to be the current one. I guess I can see now that there's the black line here, but so why is that gray then? That's inconsistent, right? Trends is black. Black means current. Blue, I thought that meant current, but actually blue means clickable. That kind of makes sense, except here, trends is clickable and it's not blue. So yeah, I see some inconsistency going on. Yeah, let me just add that to the note. I guess that's kind of more of a user experience. I won't dig into the CSS of what makes it happen anymore. Or probably not. I mean, I don't want for that. I mean, it's pretty easy how to change that. It's just a question of running down the bug, making sure it doesn't interfere with any other bugs, seeing if the CSS is, you know, well organized and easy to work with. Anyways, so this problem, tabs on, what page is this now? I guess I'd better make a screenshot of it. I can use my my other tool for doing a screenshot here, actually. Screen grab, copy, complete page frame. There, that's kind of easier, really. At least if I'm using the Word workflow. That's kind of what I'm more used to, what I normally use. I don't usually use Snagit. Anyways, blah blah blah. So good. We'll add a picture. We'll keep the picture here. Because I think that's now necessary to identify the page, since I don't really have a name for it. The catalog and trends tabs at the top. So I'm not really sure. Think about Unity and all pages to make one decision, then make it consistent. Can't really answer this question of which is better just by looking at one page. It's a whole deal. Can I click on that? So black is current, gray is clickable. I don't know. Is this clickable? See, if blue were clickable, I would think style me for a job interview would be clickable. Alright, so I thought that would be clickable, but it's not. Can I click that? Nope. Can I click that? No. What's up with that? That's not me. It kind of looks weird. Why does my face look all garbaged? That's a broken icon? Broken page icon or something? Will it go away if I reload it? Yeah, that's another bug. So I'm finding lots of bugs. Broken icon symbol on this page overlays my Facebook photo. Okay. These still don't do anything, do they? No, that is. Well, let's try uploading an item from my desktop. Sure, choose a file. Okay. What kind of files can I choose? All supported types. All right. Well, let's just see if we can take a picture of me now. Can I do that with like my little eyesight camera? Where is that? Camera. Camera and mic, yes. That's fine. But I actually want the app. It's not iMovie, is it? What is it? I used to know how to find it. I don't have an icon for it. What's it called again? Eyesight. Right? Yeah, that's great. I'd like the camera for it, though. It's not iMovie, is it? Fine, I hate doing this. Using your built-in eyesight camera, thank you. No, not video conferencing. Taking pictures to use, yes. Open iChat. No, I want to save it to a desktop. FaceTime let me do it? No, I don't want video. No. Photo booth, that's what it's called, right? Photo booth. Or iPhoto. One of the two. Let's try photo booth. Okay, good. So, what I want a picture of some clothing. Well, I guess I should get my interview clothing out. Let's start with that. All right. And, So what do I've got? I've got a belt here, a shirt and tie, jacket, some pants hidden in there. All right. It looks like it got a little wrinkled in there. So maybe it'll work best if I take a photo in front of a white wall. Do I have a white wall? It's kind of a white wall. That could work. Let's see. Let's start with the belt. How does that work? See, I think a good way to display a belt is like this, right? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay. Maybe offset this a little bit, just so you can see what it looks like. Alright, let's try that. Pretty lame picture, really. Colors off. Sort of worked. Let's try the shirt. Oh, and I've got a tie here. Maybe I'd be better off trying my cell phone. Yeah, definitely wrinkled. That rack didn't do it much good. Should I try it anyways? Gosh, I'm kind of embarrassed to. Let's give it a shot. Just to see what it's going to look like. And, well, the interview jacket, I suppose. Seems like I really need a white background for this. I have a sweep, you know, I mean, I can set up to do like professional photography if I need to, but I don't have it convenient. Oh, well, yeah, I need more to work with. Let's see, I got the shirt, the jacket, some pants. I can do that. So if I were here with my friend, this would be very easy. I'd be done now. I would have been able to show off all my clothing. And I think that's what we're competing against. But oh my god, what happened here? This wasn't here before. It was like brown stain here. You know what? I bet it's bleach. I bet the last time I washed it, some bleach got on it or something and turned it brown. It didn't used to have this. These are like my favorite interview pants. They're a little, they're not really stretch pants, but they're kind of, are they stretchy? No. My rich fashion friend bought these for me. She said she wanted to go to nice restaurants, and she wanted me to wear something that would look nice when I was sitting with her. Okay. And if I want to hang out with her, I should probably get somebody to give me some advice. Okay, so here's some pants. These photos are crap. Underwear? I don't think I've seen any underwear pictures. How do you deal with underwear? I'm going to leave underwear out. But I definitely want the jacket. And these are all just terrible, terrible photos. I think mostly the color is wrong. Okay. Well, so now how do I export them? Let's see. Export. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Okay. So I've got a belt. Let's see. I've got the belt, the shirt, the jacket, the pants. Should I do the shoes? Yeah, shoes are probably important. Should I try the shoes with the phone? So part of this is I don't really do this sort of thing very much. I'm great at user experience design, but I really don't use social media and all that stuff very much. I wonder how familiar users are with this sort of thing. Let's see. Should I do a phone, a shoe with the iPhone? I think so, because I can easily put them on white and better isolate them and check the quality a lot better, I think. So let's see, how would I do that? Oh, there we go. I can use this box. So at this point, as a user, if I have to do all this, I'm thinking, no, I'm just going to call my friend Jeanette and ask her if she can come over quick and help me, because I've spent so long. Oh, I should do. Well, let me export these first. Oh, it won't let me export all of them at once? What a pain. You know, Flash can control. Flash can take pictures. There was an option to let Flash take a photograph from my eyesight. That would probably have been nice at this point. Because what am I doing here? Belt. Actually, I don't want it in the desktop. I want it at WiShi. I know I created WiShi exercise. All right. Export. Shirt. Oh, it always defaults to pictures, huh? Jacket. Do I have? What do I have? Pants. And another. This is the better jacket, probably. Yeah, because well, you see the whole thing, so I'm guessing that's better. Wow, that's just crappy photography. That makes me look bad. It's like I totally want to buy It's like I totally want to buy everything new because it does not look as good as the stuff I see online that I can buy. Pants. Okay. Maybe I'll do the shoes later. Let's see what I can do just to get something in there to play with. At this point, I'm really thinking as a user experience designer, as if this were a fashion emergency and I was like planning for a date, I would have been like, nah, I don't have time for all this already. So we can say, I think for a fashion emergency, no one's probably going to upload it. Can't find the brand, item doesn't have a name. Tags. Shirts, pick a category. Shirts. Where is accessories? Oh, accessories, okay. And brand, I don't know, I think I got it at Old Navy. I don't remember. I remember I'm kind of picky about belts, and I like that one. But let's say it's Old Navy. That's not really a brand, though. What brand is this? It's not an expensive belt. It's, what's it say on the back? Made in China. Bonded, 3230. Oh, Perry Ellis. Okay. Tags. They're saying springs. I'm thinking belt is the tag I want. Save. Let's upload another item. Let's upload the jacket. I'd like to sort of crop it or something. Can I do that here by clicking? No. So I need a photo editing program to upload to WiShi. That sucks. Didn't one of the videos say it would do that for me somewhere? Maybe I'm going about this the wrong way. What is this? This is a jacket. Brand. What is the brand? Hechoin, Mexico. I don't know, some knockoff. Mexico. Tags. Sports. Jacket. How many buttons? 3 buttons. 3 button. Please make sure you have selected a brand category. Okay, so this is the category. I selected that. It's jackets. Brand. I have selected that, I think. Can't find. Let's try that. Is this one tag, or is that going to be sports is one tag, jacket is another one, 3 is a tag, and button is a tag? I want to upload a description more than just jacket. Alright, well, let's try it anyways. Okay, let's upload another item. Pants. Okay. Now these are good, because my rich friend bought them for me. Oh well, they're Gap. Boot fit stretch. They are stretch pants. I kind of knew that. They don't really look like stretch pants, or at least not how I imagine stretch pants. Maybe it's just because I'm not that fashion savvy. Gap pants. Tags. Boot fit. Black. Actually, they're not black. They're like a sort of black and white tweed or something. Is tweed the right word? Let's try that. Tweed. Black. Or gray, maybe. What is tweed? Yep, it's kind of tweed. Close. It's actually this. What is this one? Is that tweed too? Yeah, that's tweed. It's that kind of tweed. Okay. Flash player. Ask me when a site wants to use the camera. Yes. I want Flash player to ask me when the site wants to use the camera or microphone. But, unfortunately, you didn't ask me for that. I got there some other way. Tweed gray. Let's save that. Please make sure you have selected a brand category. Something's buggy going on there. Pants. Gap. I wonder what they're using for validation. It's not really my specialty, but I can tell when it's not working. I could probably debug it. I wouldn't want to pick a system and choose a system without doing some research. I have a couple of validation solutions that I like myself, but it all depends on your framework. If you're using model view, view model controller, or whatever, it kind of best to have one person pick all that stuff and not just substitute and switch out. At least I'm not good enough to switch one to diagnose somebody else's problem that quick. Can't find. So I can find a brand though. Do I need to click one of these? Is that the problem? Save. 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 Not happening. Save. So this is effectively non-functional. I mean, I think they don't have a... Well, maybe they have a functional product. It's functional enough you could use it for like mock-ups and sketches and stuff. I'm going to guess the problem is here. See, will this deselect? Nope, it should automatically deselect right there. Good. I think that's everything I took photos of with my iSight camera. So, what do I have? Photos 3. No real description. I can write a comment. Black belt. Silver buckle. What happened to my shirt? Black sports jacket. Actually, it's more of it's again a tweed, black gray tweed, black gray tweed sports jacket, gray black sports jacket. Okay, let's add an item. Shirt. Yes. Now this is pretty good. That's right where I expect it to be. I have to scroll up a little bit. That's fine. Shirts. Okay, brand. So these should all be maybe crowdsourced, right? Allow you to type your own in, and then if you do, once you type your own in, your own category, like maybe tops or dresses. I know we've got dresses. We've got skirts, jumpsuits. Let's see what do guys wear that's not listed here. Shirts, pants. I don't see a lot else. All right, well, let's just call this a shirt. Blue shirt. And let's not put any tags in. Let's try to go as quick as possible. All right, yeah, because that's not what we want. Who makes the blue shirt? All right, well, let's find out. Pierre Cardin. All right, let's try to enter as little as possible. Clicked on save, doesn't seem to be working. Oh, it did. Okay. Good. Shirt. Good. Now, can I edit it here? Write a comment. Blue shirt needs iron. Okay. What does style do? Move flip flop boards. Flip. Okay. Flop. Okay. Forwards, backwards. All right. Save, I guess. I guess I need to save. No, I don't want to save the ant's outfit. I want to drag another item in. I want to bring the belt. I gotta unclick it first, I guess. Okay, so you can't see anything about this. You can if you get like really close, right? So it's not a terrible photo. I mean, you can at least see the belt buckle and know it's a belt, but it totally needs to be cropped. And I keep trying to drag things in. I'm forgetting it. So, it's like, and then when I hit enter, it happens. No, when I hit enter, it just duplicated it. Can I hit delete here? Delete did something else. It took me backwards. Styling portfolio. Well, delete. Just hit back on the browser button, I'm guessing. Can I hit forward on the browser button and get back to where I was? Yeah, kind of. Okay. Let's just try and get these in. If I hit enter, nothing happens. If I click off, that's the trick. Okay. And what if I run out of room? See here? This should be treated as a click off. I'm like clicking here. What I have to do is I have to click here, and then I can click here. And then it doesn't highlight, but I have to drag it. This is starting to get a little tough. Can I just double click to put it in there? That's what I want to do. Okay, so first I have to, hitting enter doesn't work. I can click off it. I've got my jacket, so I need my pants, I think. Those are my pants. This is my jacket. Can I double click to pop it in there? No. So I need to drag it somehow. I don't even like that picture. It shows off my belly. I really need to crop these. I'm trying to drag it here, but okay. So I think, there should be a JS library that you're using for this to, can I put this on top of it so it hides me? How do I know which goes on top of which? Can I put myself outside of the frame? No? Okay. Wow. I keep hitting enter thinking that'll deselect it. Wonder what escape would do. Nope, does nothing. Okay. And this is not clickable. And alright, so I could use this for a mock-up of how I think it should work, or a flow. Let's save this. Name this outfit. Well, let's cancel. I'd really like to get my fat belly out of the picture. How do I... There's a way to remove, right? Remove. Alright, so what if I remove this, and then I remove this, and then I remove this, and then I remove this, and I put this in first, and then I put this in. Yeah, okay, so they're stacked like that. And that. Can't even see this one. Photo's so bad. Eyesight camera, not so good. Make a note of that. No, I can't see this one. So this is not good if you're trying to overlap pictures, but I think the use case scenario is that they're cropped somehow. There was a tool for okay. So what we've got is kind of a coded proof of concept. It's not like it's like in need of a flow diagram, and well, that's what they're hiring me for. I mean, we've got some back-end coding skills. There's a little CSS bugs and a little bit of UX bugs here, but it's basically somebody has the back-end and JavaScript front-end skills required to do the job. I think this demonstrates that they've got what they need to do the job. This outfit. Steve's bad style. No, let's call it Steve's interview with bad photos. Event. Oh. I don't know. Should I be negative like that? Oops, bad photos. Choose an event. Interview. Oh, I'm not going to get the job wearing that. So far, my self-confidence has not been boosted. I'm going to click on save. I'd really like some sort of hourglass or something right here. Or something. I don't even know if it's working. Maybe if I click one of these and then click save. So here, black means clickable, blue means selected. Tags. Tags, I don't know. Other than interview, office, save. And just keep clicking. I like that the button moves a little bit. That's good. There's other ways to do it too, but the button moving just isn't bad. Save. So I'm guessing it doesn't let me save. Okay. Well, it's lots of elements to put a mock-up together. So I keep trying to scroll up and down. Trends. Do these buttons work still? Select a brand. Oh, hey! What happened? How did I get to see shirts? Yes, I would like to look at some shirts. I don't see anything that looks like a guy's office shirt, but, this looks kind of close. Can I drag that in? So this would probably be done by a stylist who would have some experience using this, right? So like I'm having some troubles here, but this is like learning curve type troubles. I mean, once you learn that double clicking does nothing or that hitting the enter button doesn't work, you're pretty much set. This is kind of a nice shirt. I like this, so let's put this over the shirt here. So how did I get that there? I went to catalog. I see. So if I click on here and on the trends, I get nothing. But if I click on catalog and select shirts, I get something. I can go to catalog, select a diamond accessories, and get that. I don't want any accessories for an interview. Well, maybe this ring. Generally, you shouldn't. So that didn't seem to work. It says jewelry, but that was the accessories. button, right? No, yeah, this is accessories. This is the one I wanted. I can close jewelry. I don't need any jewelry. Anyways, accessories. So wait, Steve's closet. I see. So Steve's closet. Trends. I don't know what that does. Accessories. Yeah, we've got some stuff here. Do we have a tie? No, of course not. But we do have a watch. Oddly, these appear to be guys' watches. So that didn't work. Do I need to... There we go. Alright, so there's a watch. And how's that cropped? It's not tight cropped. I mean, it's not like a PNG with transparency. It's actually, let's see. So what do I need? Let's get some pants. Let's see, something officey. Select brands. Let's go with the Gap. That work? I don't think that did anything. Maybe that feature's not enabled yet. Oh, but these look like the pants I want. Nice sort of beige color. Yeah, beige might be a little much for an interview. Let's try this one. And that worked, even though I didn't click off that. Huh. Are these just jeans? I think these are just jeans. So how do I get the description? Can I right click? Nope. I can flip. I can flop forwards. Flip. Flop. Flop. Flip. Flip. What does forward do? Nothing there. Flop. Forwards. Nothing there. Flip. Forwards. Backwards. I think that's probably for like something that maybe... Oh! I thought that would turn it. That means like stacking order. Forwards, backwards. So that should be like above and below. Alright. Backwards. So now I know how to do the stacking order. Forwards and backwards. I thought I was thinking like this would be like if you're walking forwards or walking backwards, like you might have two views of a shirt, like from the front, going forward, and a view of the shirt going backwards. Yeah, funny how people misunderstand things. I can't control some of it, but alright. I really would like to save this though. Yes. Just let me save it as something. What if I just try a simple word first? Save. Will that work? I'm gonna delete as much as possible and just hope the problem is here. Ooh, something seemed to happen in the background behind the gray. Like maybe it really did save. And outfit added successfully. Okay. Alright. So zero outfits created. Steve Whetstone, 0 followers, 0 following, all photos, items styled for Steve. Portfolio, what's the portfolio? First, styled for Steve, style me up. Items, yeah. Photo, add a photo. What's the difference between a photo and an item? Outfits made for Steve, style me up. First, styling portfolio. So, okay, I'm taking the role there of the stylist and requesting a style. We can expect significantly different behavior from stylist and people who want stylist. I think there might not be a lot of mix and match between the two, really. Is that good? Alright, well, I've made some progress. Maybe a photo will allow me to Can I edit a photo? No. Okay. So I've basically kind of got zero high-level functionality. But I have a lot of low-level functionality, sort of drag-and-drop proof of code concepts, some style templates, some basic framework going on. All right. So as a UX designer, this is like a blank slate almost. Hey, the WiShi logo moved over. On the home page, it used to be touching the left edge there. Okay, so now I've got the WiShi Me feed page. Steve Whetstone got styled for work. Now what's this? Restyle? Sure, let's restyle. Let's click on catalogs and let's add some shoes. And I think this is the closest I'm going to come to a guy's interview shoe. Oh, these might be okay. So I wish, like when I hovered over it, I could get more information. Let's go with gap again. See if we can limit it that way. Yeah, I could wear this. So it's got a white background. It's not cropped, it's just a or it's not outlined or anything, it's just a background. There's actually JavaScript libraries and stuff, Java libraries. Now there's Java libraries that would get rid of the white for you. Maybe not too well. Yeah, it's a fairly big problem, probably not the priority problem. Let's send it backwards a little bit though. Or maybe make this belt smaller. What is this one? This doesn't seem to have anything. Remove. There we go. Shoes. Save. And let's try Steve event. No, I don't want to choose the event. I'm just going to go with that. Try to save it. Seems like the safest thing to do. Well, I shouldn't be looking at bugs here, I think is the gist of it. We're not ready to quash bugs. We don't even have a single use case. We barely have a use case we can complete. Let's go with just one name. And sure, why would you want to fix the validation on this? You may not need it. Event. I keep thinking, I don't understand why it works sometimes and why it doesn't others. What was the trick before? 2. Is there a way to keep this hidden, private, like a work in progress? Okay, so there's a lot to think about. Design exercise. Take a small feature. Style request page. Request styling for upcoming event. Browse other people's styling. Request styling for upcoming event. Browse other people's styling. Now it's all the way to the left again. The W in WiShi has changed alignment. Okay, well, if this were a finished product, see, this is better, where it's moved over to the left. If this were a finished product, I'd be concerned. Oh, look! Oh, see, this looks so much better now. We don't have that empty space in there. Closet items 4, outfits requests 1, outfits created 1, good. Restyle, yeah, heart it. What's this going to do for me? Tooltips would be nice. Presumably they know all this. To share, connect with Facebook. Okay. Okay, presumably it's just a stub. Style request page. Request styling for upcoming event or browse other people's styling. Well, it's clearly got to be this. How do I go to like my personal homepage? Is that this? Style me up for something. Yes. I'm just looking for ideas. Yes. Create an outfit. I don't want to create one. I want somebody else to create one for me. Style request page. First. Why do I have it too? That's my styling portfolio. That's outfit made for Steve. And oh, so styling portfolio is styles I've done, and outfits made for Steve is, oh, that's good. So it appears in both. It's nice. So if I were styling and getting styled like this, I'd have it in two. If somebody else styled me up, then I'd only have their stuff there. Oh, this is good. You go over here, you hit restyle. You can like it. You can click on it. Oh, look at this here, outfit details. This is nice. Okay, so what they need is a big picture. Still wondering, a big picture of what? Style request page. Are they talking about the one where I edit things? No, that's not requesting a style. So how do I request a style? How do I know that I'm on my personal profile page? Oh, here we go, profile. Does this do the same thing? What is this? Steve Whetstone likes your outfit. You got styled by Steve Whetstone. Oh, that's good. It's an announcement icon. Yeah, makes sense. Number one's a little small, but it's passable. Upload item from desktop. Okay. Change password. Old, new, confirm. Email notifications. Awesome. Yes, I do want them. Replies to your styling price. Yes. Create styles lean for you. Yes. Create your outfits. Comment on outfits or items. Interesting to note, you should, you'll need some logic here to, like, if you're not going to reply to a styling, if you're not going to get an email when someone replies to your styling request, it's like, I don't know, there's a whole, people might come by and just waste everyone's time. You're going to have a lot of people who drop out. But that's a problem for another day. Feed. Well, feed is a good concept. That makes sense. Style. List let me request styling for your upcoming events. If this is the request a style page, the style request page, I think this is the closest thing to a style request page. I'm going to stop here for a while. Why do I see these?